Itemi-ini ria guthaitira maria maturigicirie ruhonge rwa maria maturigicirie kaunti-ini ya Murang'a unyitaniri-ini na honge ingi ni mambikite kambeni ya uhandi wa miti hamwe na tabarira ya gutheria matuura matiganite kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Makiaria hindi ya mihang'o ino, MCAs kaunti-ini ya Murang'a matongoretio ni muikariri Kamiti-ini ya maria maturigicirie mbunge-ini ya Murang'a Jackline Muthoni maugite kaunti ino ni ngetheirwo ni ugwati wa mirimu iria yumanaga na giko nyondo wa guteo gwa giko kundu kuria gutagiriire.
We have also gone further and conducted a cleanup activity around Keno town to ensure and to motivate people to keep a clean environment.
Riu MCAs aya nithondekete watho uria kurigana na kurigiriria muingi guteaga giko o haria makinyira makiendekithia aria mauna watho magatacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
We have done quite a lot. We have sensitized our residents on the importance of conserving our environment through reduction of plastic pollution.
Plastic tunaziweka kando, zinaenda for recycling. Mambo ya organic zinaenda for composting. We are working on this one to enrich our soils because we know that if we pollute our soils, we kill the soils and we stop being sustainable in our production system.
Kaunti ya Murang'a inyitanire na honge ingi uhandi-ini wa miti anyitite makihoka itemi riri riri guteithiriria kuhurana na moruru maria maraumana na ucenjia wa riera.
Every year we give a lot of trees out there. We participate in activities of planting trees. We also participate in initiative to clean up river. Recently we hosted an activity that was dammed, get bururi back to the river, and this is an initiative that we also participated and facilitated, and it happened in our facility.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.